más es pulirlo, ¿ok?
Estamos en 6. Paso 6.
Dependiendo cómo es, like say it has the mesh, then you start off with the sandpaper to take off the mesh, okay? And then you get to this point. But if it doesn't have the mesh, then you're already at this point. So all you really need to do is to make it kind of straight. And when you're polishing is starting from the lowest grit and going higher. So what you want to do in polishing is just take off the marks. This one takes off the marks, the next one takes off the marks that one made, and then so on and so on. You know what I mean? You just want to, lo más importante es quitar las rayas. Okay. Ya cuando está nada de rayas, y empiezas como más bajo y le sigues para arriba, para arriba, para arriba. Entonces no puedes empezar con 100 si no has metido a 80. Y ya que estás a 80 no puedes subir a 400. Es como en orden. So here, todos ven estas líneas? Everybody sees all these little lines that it has from
Scratches?
From the cut mark?
Yeah, scratches, deep scratches.
Yes. Yeah. So when you can't polish it like that, so we need to take that away.
I know.
This is a cup wheel. This is probably like 40 grit.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
I did not take away all the marks, but what I did is made it uniform.
You got rid of the deep ones.
Because this, the deeper ones, this makes scratches. But it doesn't make deep scratch. Yes.
Yeah, he got rid of the deep scratch. There was a deep scratch right here, and you were able to get it all to that, whatever that grit is.
So that's all we're trying to do. Trying to make it uniform.
It's like little files.
Because you see how it's not uniform?
Like that's a deep scratch right there. You can feel it right here.
La otra uña pon, la morada.
Put your finger on that.
La uña morada.
You feel it?
Oh yeah. La podrida.
The way that these numbers go up is the way that you're going to polish. Como están los números, es como vas a pulir. Empiezas con 50, 100, 200, 400, 40.
Hijo, pero di cómo van, si la vas a poner así.
Wait, ¿este qué era?
Es que mi camarada aquí está poniendo.
When we polish, the most important thing is that this lays flat.
Steady hand, yeah.
Okay? So you can't be like this, you can't be like that. Flat.
Especially on that one.
You can't be like this because this is going to dig in.
Oh.
Okay? Flat. The way it's mainly flat is if you put these two, the center's in the middle. I like to just keep it in the middle like that and let it do its thing. Push my hand pressure down here and holding this steady so it doesn't kind of wobble on me. But the main thing is this hand, which goes like that. Okay?
Yeah.
That one made scratches. This one should make finer scratches, but we're trying to get rid of these scratches.
I like it.
Mask, because this dust is very bad. Okay.
Why it wobble?
The reason it wobbled is because this is manufactured stone. It's not rock. So this is plastic. And this is a stone. And this is hot.
So it grips it.
It grips it and it kind of holds it. Nevertheless,
Cinder block on that.
it'll still get rid of these scratches. But the way that we work with manufactured stone is mainly just with sandpaper and white ones. Because do you see these burn marks?
Yeah. They're from the rock.
Yeah.
Stone.
This will burn. So even if you use the same 50
It's like fighting back.
with this one, this is for granite, it'll still leave a burn mark. So that's why it's important to know what you're working with. So since the rock did not get rid of these scratches, we have to go Santa, which is the 50. Okay? If this was
50,
granite,
yeah.
this would work, and then we'd go into these. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
This fool. Okay, so these work with water. Okay, you put a little bit of water. Watch out for the
Paper.
splash zone. It's gonna get in your coffee.
Watch your paper. Doesn't take much. Look at that. 50. Got a 50. That's where you start. That's where you start at 50.
Okay, do you see how it took off
That's
these marks?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Very smooth.
Do you see any marks?
No.
No.
That's
Okay.
part of the
wow.
that's part of the stone.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah, it's got a little dip. So, any questions? After you do 50, the way you do 50 is the way you do 100, and keep going up all the way till you get to 1,500. We normally don't do 3,000, so once you're at 15, that's pretty much it. If it looks like it's still a little hazy, then we'll put this, but more than likely not. Alright?
First this guy, then this guy, then boom, 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 boom. And that is
Yes and no. This one is excluded for the fact that it's manufactured stone.
for
So
this
we need it.
So
material.
we'll just jump to this to this.
It'll be this.
Yeah.
Set 815. There we go.
I do have a question.
What?
As you get higher in the sandpapers, how do you know when you're done and then you can move on to the next one?
You'll still feel the difference. You can feel what is polished and what isn't polished. The way that
And
you
see it.
polish should be like a printer. Okay? Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Just like a printer. No, porque eso es lo que van a hacer ustedes.
Oh.
So I just go back and forth, all the way, right? And I'm looking if I missed any spots, if I still see scratches. Once I do one pass, then I just go a long ways, one like that, long ways back, another one like that. And the grinder will kind of tell you, it'll jump if it doesn't go. Like once it runs smooth, without any jumping, then it's good. The same thing with this one. This one, wherever it's 50, it'll still catch and skip. So you just go back and forth to get the little ones, like that. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. When you do that, then just do one long one. If you feel that it skips, like, oh, it skipped there, and you come back, just kind of guide it again, and done. If you really need a check, you can dry it, and you can see where it's shining.
And look at
Okay.
it. Yeah.
Okay.
If it's dry, right? Dry. But this is the bottom.
But as far as RPMs, who knows what RPMs mean?
Rotation per minute. Rotation per minute.
Sure, I'll go with that. Horsepower. So these are variable grinders. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This goes up to 5. We will never use it at 5.
Whoa! You scared him. You
It's
scared him.
very, very fast. We will never use it at 5. Okay, we usually like to keep it between 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Okay. Like at lower grit, I like to do 1 because the lower grit is gonna do the most damage.
Grinder.
Okay, and if you can't control it at a low grit, it's just gonna fuck shit up. So lower grit, lower velocity. Okay. Once you get to like 200, I like to do 2. Okay. Once I get to like 800, I can do 2.5 to 3. 3 is max, and 3 should only be for these top ones, because the faster it spins, the better it polishes. But you won't need that until you're at the higher grit. ¿Entendiste?
Le tienes que Pues sí, si le das con el de 50, le tienes que dar en el 1 nomás.
En el más bajo. Porque el que tiene más grit, más, ¿cómo se dice? Más, los números más bajos
Ajá.
son los que hacen más, como,
Lijan más.
te escarben más.
Ok.
So, esto tiene que estar en lo más bajo, porque si está muy alto,
Conforme le vayas subiendo, le vas poniéndole las otras.
sí, como hasta el 100 es el 1. Ya cuando brinco a 200, le cambio a 2. Y 2 a como 800. Y ya que brinco a 800, le subo a 3. 3 es lo
Ok.
máximo. Porque entre más vueltas da, más lo pule, más lo calienta y más brillo saca. Y eso no
Ok.
vas a ocupar hasta que llegues a los últimos.
Ok.
¿Sí me entiendes? Porque de 100 para abajo lo estás formando.
Ok.
Estás ganando que quede
La
derechito.
pura figura la estás.
Sí, y eso lo ocupas en más bajo.
Ok.
Porque si usas estos muy alto, pues no lo puedes controlar y te va.
Ok.
¿Ok?
Muy bien.
So, 1, 2, 3.
Ok.